And we have some news just coming in. The Kulgam encounter has now ended. TRF Valley Chief Basit Dar killed in the Kulgam encounter. Big success for security forces ahead of elections in Kashmir. But Dar was, remember, on the most wanted list of security agencies at a bounty of 10 lakh on his head. It was categorized in the A++ category. TRF, which is seen as a shadow outfit of the Lashkar, under Basit Dar, was responsible for a number of attacks, especially targeted killings of Kashmiri Pandits and non-locals in the valley in the last 5 years. Mir is getting us more details on that story. Mir, with the elimination of the TRF's chief in that sense, isn't it? This is a huge success for the forces today.
Yes, absolutely, Sneha. And that too, if you talk of elections and the effort of the security agencies to have conducive security atmosphere as far as the build-up to the election is concerned. So this is a major success because Basit Dar, as you rightly said, is the chief of the resistance front, which is considered as the shadow of the Lashkar. And as far as the valley is concerned, he was active from the last 6 years. And if you talk of most of the cases of targeted killings across Kashmir, especially if you talk of 2022, when we saw non-locals and especially Kashmiri Pandits targeted, the security forces zeroed in on him as the person who was the brain behind planning and executing such attacks. So it is a major success. And it was an operation that was again started by an intel input, a timely intel input took the security agencies into the Red Vani village. The information was about Basit Dar and another accomplice hiding in a hideout in a house. And as soon as the search was started late last night, the security forces approaching party was greeted with gunfire. The exchange of fire started. And after almost 14 to 16 hours, both these militants have been killed. But a big, huge catch. Basit Dar, A++, 10 lakh rupees on his head. So you can understand how important he was as far as the most wanted list of the security agencies is concerned. Back to you.
You know, Mir, this is the man who was in fact behind just so many attacks on innocents. Locals who consider Kashmir their own home, they've lived here all their lives, and the manner in which there were so many targeted killings that were carried out in the last few months or so, isn't it?
Yes, absolutely. And you can consider the pressure on the security agencies to get him because every time there was an attack on non-locals or on soft targets, because most of them were very soft targets, maybe a laborer from UP or Bihar, a Kashmiri Pandit who was defenseless, who did not have any protection. So they were targeted. And once they were targeted, the pressure increased on the security forces to get Basit Dar. And ever since, there were several coordinated search operations from where he escaped. So he was the most wanted. And as you know, TRF is a shadow of the Lashkar-e-Toiba, and while he was given the charge of carrying out such attacks, because these are low resource attacks, you just need a person with a pistol to fire and create a big sensation by killing a non-local. And on the other hand, the big attacks and carrying out bigger strikes on the security agencies, Jaish was given the mantle, and we know they're doing it in Poonch Rajouri. So it was a very planned strategy on the Kashmir side, and he was the main person. He was the person who was the backbone of TRF, their planning, their execution, and also, importantly, as far as getting new blood, local recruits. So he was the person, and that's why it is a huge, huge success for the security agencies.
10 lakh bounty also that he was carrying. Basit Dar had 10 lakh bounty on his head. I'm going to thank you, Mir, for getting us those details. Listen in to what the IGP of Kashmir has said on this particular encounter in Kulgam.
दरमियानी रात को पुलिस और सिक्योरिटी फोर्सेस को एक इत्तला मिली थी रिगार्डिंग द मूवमेंट ऑफ टेररिस्ट इन दिस एरिया. सो आफ्टर दैट पुलिस फोर्सेस एंड सिक्योरिटी फोर्सेस along with आर्मी एंड सीआरपीएफ have cordoned this area. एंड जब कॉर्डन चल ही रहा था तो उसमें से अंदर से फायर आया. उसके बाद एक ऑपरेशन स्टार्ट हुआ जो कि पूरी रात चला और आज दोपहर तक ये कंक्लूड हुआ. तो इस ऑपरेशन में 2 टेररिस्ट मारे गए हैं, तो उनकी बॉडीज रिट्रीव हो गई हैं. अभी सर्च ऑपरेशन थोड़ा सा और कंक्लूड है. कई बार जो डेबरीज या कोई एक्सप्लोजिव होते हैं तो उसके क्लियरेंस के लिए अभी ऑपरेशन चल रहा है. इसमें जो टेररिस्ट है हमने पूरा ड्यू डिलिजेंस के साथ इनिशियल उसमें वी हैव गिवन देम opportunity as per law to come out and surrender. But however, they have not heeded to the caution by police and security forces, and they again ensued that firing on security forces.